I'm looking at the Greenworks Cordless Jigsaw. It doesn't come with a battery or charger, that's a separate purchase. Here we've got the sort of handle, but it also doubles for a vacuum to go on the end to take up all the bits. You've got the speed adjustment on here, and also you've got a tilt system here, locking tilt system. You can lock it in for angle cuts. Locks back fairly easily. You've got a safety button there for starting it, and I'm going to give it a try out with some test cuts. I'm just going to try it out. I've set the guide rail on there, that screws in tight with these two little locking nuts. This is just a thin bit of ply, just as a test, and I shall try it out with a cut on that. Fine, that was a bit wiggly at the start. Yeah, that works perfectly. And I shall try it on a thicker piece of chipboard, so it goes with that. I've now got a thicker piece of chipboard, and I've changed the blade over, so let's give it a go with that. And I've got the guide rail on again. Goes through that perfectly well. And could just try angling it, give it an angle, and see it goes on the angle. The guide rail on again. Try this bit here. And there's the angle cut. Yeah, it all seems to work very well. As I say, it's got a handle on there, you can stick the vacuum on there, but for the ease of the video I didn't put it on, so I've got a bit of hoovering up to do. And as I say, I shall come back with my review.